Hey, what's going on, YouTube? So right now we're about to do this cool effect on After Effects. It's a looping effect, quite popular for TikTok and Instagram Reels. So I got my footage. Then I'm gonna click my footage and create a new comp. So I'm gonna click my footage and drag it down. Right? It's just my guy walking, and boom, he has the cell phone out, and basically it's gonna be the same clip that you see, and it's gonna loop and loop and loop again. Now, looping footage, it works because people are not paying attention on what time the clip actually stops. So they may watch it 2 or 3 times before they realize, okay, I'm watching this over and over again. So we're gonna go through this. So right now, as you see, my guy has green on the phone. He has green on the phone. So my guy here has green on the phone. What we're going to do with that green, we're going to just key it out. So how to key it out, we go to our effects, presets, and I'll just type in key, right? Scroll down. Any of these really work. You just got to find which one that best keys it out. Sometimes some is better than others, and then you just do the small adjustments needed on the side. For what we're doing, this is fine. I'm just gonna tweak it a little bit, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna duplicate the footage. That way we can put it behind the footage. And when we duplicate it, we're gonna put it behind, and then we're gonna put it slightly off. That way you see him coming in, keep seeing him coming in and coming in. All right. So let me duplicate the footage right now. All right. So this is how it's gonna look. And then it could go on and on and on. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add more time to the composition, because right now it's rolling under. Let me see. If you go over by this over here, the frames, and you hold down control and you click, you'll see the time. You switch from time to frame to time to frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and increase the duration. Generally, I want to aim around 10 to 15 seconds. Not crazy. You're always gonna see this whole. It's not gonna be like fascinating about it. So I'm gonna go to 10 to 15 seconds. So I'm dragging the thing on top, and then now I'm about to stagnate everything, so it keeps on looping. And this is how you do a simple loop effect. You have your guy walking, you put green screen on your phone, you get a video of green screen, and then you full screen it, you key out the green, and then you just keep it looping, and there we go. There's this effect. I'm kind of feeling like I gotta keep it going, but yeah, I get the point. This is it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.